Hey y'all, so it's kind of late, but me and babe are hungry. We had a pretty long, busy day, and so therefore I'm about to make some grilled cheese and some hot tea. So also wanted to update you guys a little bit, and yeah, so let me get into this grilled cheese and then we could chit chat for about a minute or two. Alright, so I'm not doing nothing too special. I just got regular plain old bread right here. Right here I have Parmesan and cheddar. And the tea that I'm making is this. I'm pretty sure I don't need to show y'all how to make grilled cheese, but like I said, you know, I just wanted to pop in for a minute. So yeah, so I also ended up finding this pepper jack sliced cheese right here. So I'll put that down first, and then I'm gonna add, not too much, y'all. It's late, can't pile it on too much. Sorry about the echo. It's still been about a week since we moved. And then I'm gonna put it right on the stove top, melt the cheese down, make the tea, and I'll get back to y'all. Alright y'all, so I'm just gonna put my grilled cheese just like that. There go my kettle. And what I like to do is I like to push it down. So I get a skillet top that's not as big as the circumference of the pot, and just weigh it down, and it'll give it like an even brown on the bottom. And I have my stove on medium low. Yep. See what I mean by even? I got even browning, perfect browning, and you know, just slow and low. Alright y'all, so I'm about to bring babe his sandwich, but I just wanted to show y'all. Cheesy. Okay. I decided to opt for juice, but I'm waiting for the water to boil now so I can make his tea, but I'm getting juice, and then we're gonna chit chat for a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs so we can chit chat for a little bit. Yo, these stairs been killing me. Y'all know where I used to live at, I ain't had no stairs like that, but they killing me. You good? Oh, you thought I was talking to you? See, you almost showed your drawers on my video. Look at you. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to eat and talk with y'all for a little bit. So the update is my health is doing so much more better. My blood pressure went down significantly. I have no personal stress in my life. I have no drama in my life, so maybe that had something to do with it, because I used to be so stressed over things, especially like things that didn't matter. So I'm happy about that. My husband is good. I'm obsessed, in love with the place I live in right now. I'm just blessed and happy. And the recipes are coming. It's only a couple more weeks to go. My makeover is coming. I'll be going live the weekend of the 17th. If you go, you always come to my live. That's when I'm coming back to live. I'll be going live before I even drop my spice and my recipes. So I hope y'all looking forward to that. I think that's pretty much it. I don't really have much to talk about because there's nothing really going on, nothing really bad going on or anything to really say. But I love you guys. I appreciate y'all hanging around for me. I promise you it's going to be worthwhile. I didn't take a break for no reason. I've been working my ass off, and I cannot wait to share my content with you guys. If you have any questions that you want me to answer in a video, if you want to know anything about me, comment it all below. I'm sorry. I hope the food is not showing. I'm sorry. My bad, y'all. If there's any, you know, types of videos that you guys would like to see me do besides just cooking, comment them below. And yep, I'll catch y'all on my next video. I miss y'all so much. Y'all just don't even know. But y'all can't wait to be back. Follow me on Instagram for updates, and yeah.